Imagine for a second that you're 80 years old, and today God is giving you the blessing to go back in time to your 20s. You open your eyes and suddenly you just feel different. You take a deep breath, you sit up, and there's no pain or fatigue, and you just feel young again. You decide to get up and go for a walk in the forest. And when you're outside, you take a deep breath and finally you remember. This is what life was like when you were young. And just because you can, you decide to continue your walk by running as fast as possible. You feel the energy in your entire body and you feel so happy because this was the first time you could run in 10 years. After you came home, you see that the sun is already setting and it's time to go to bed. You close your eyes and that was it. The day is over. The next morning, you're 80 again. You wake up in the morning and you wish that you could just go back for one more day. But guess what? You can, because you aren't that young person right now. This is the day your future self will wish they could relive. So don't waste it. Be grateful that you're alive and enjoy every single detail of today, because one day you wish you could just go back.